Supermole Gold 2 is a value-packed profiling workhorse, most often relied upon for in-transit thermal profiling of reflow ovens and wave machines. The advanced 6-channel thermal profiling technology incorporates 96 profile memory capacity and thermocouple readiness LEDs to save you setup time. Supermole Gold 2 also works in conjunction with our Oven Rider and Wave Rider verification palettes to help you keep a closer eye on changes in process performance. The V-Mole is a full-featured compact thermal profiler that belies its sophistication in an easy-to-use 3-channel configuration. Ideal for verification of PCB profile performance, 3 channels gives you hot, cold, and sensitive component data for verifying the correct oven settings. The one-touch OK button for go, no-go indication of profile compliance, along with oven checker palette compatibility, provides great value and verification capabilities with this entry-level solution. To ensure precise thermal conditions for high reliability, high-value assemblies, multiple thermocouple placement is recommended for the most comprehensive data set. ECD's Megamole 20 provides this with 20-channel input capability, a software package that adapts to your requirements, and customizable data extractions. Improve R&D decision-making with new insights from data-rich profiles, allowing you to earn and keep customers by producing high-yield, high-quality assemblies with the Megamole 20. The patented Oven Rider NL2 Plus travels through your oven with the Supermole Gold 2 inside, collecting data for analysis and SPC charting. A combination of ambient and process sensors measure oven performance, delivering repeatable data that can be used to identify modest trends which may be developing or serious conditions that have already arrived. Simple PCB profiling cannot detect all of the subtleties which can have a profound effect on PCB production quality. Establishing the wave soldering process can be challenging, and with many soldering specialists leaving the electronics industry, the science of wave soldering is becoming a lost art, and expertise is often hard to find. The Wave Rider, used in combination with the Supermole Gold 2 profiler, creates a robust solution that measures and monitors preheat temperatures and slopes, conveyor speed, wave contact times, and parallelism. Oven Checker is a new, easy-to-use tool for verifying a production reflow oven. The Oven Checker incorporates 3 FR4-like sensors across the width of the pallet and utilizes the V-Mole's innovative OK button, indicating go or no-go conditions relative to your profile specifications. This helps minimize costly production line downtime, since data does not need to be transferred to your PC for further analysis when the LED indicator is green. MoleMap 3 software displays and helps analyze data from all of these powerful tools. In addition, you can use MoleMap software to generate a recommended recipe for your new product, modify existing set points and conveyor speed to predict an improved recipe, quickly analyze custom measures and spec limits, or track conditions over time with SPC trending. Regardless of your application, MoleMap 3 is the easy-to-use software empowering you to make the right quality control decisions.